All right, I'm back on the figure of this mount man. And I'm really enjoying working on this piece. I still have no idea how it's going to look when it gets done. I don't know what kind of clothing he's going to be wearing. Obviously, it's going to be mountain man clothing, but how elaborate or how unelaborate it's going to be, I don't know yet. Just take it one day at a time. I'm just getting to the point where I can work on his head, and I just spent about a half hour getting ready to do that. Okay. Now I'm going to work on these arms when I get done doing the head. I think I'll go ahead and put some clay on that. It doesn't hurt. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut his head off. I got this electronic lighter off of Amazon, and let me see if I can show you. It gets a little spark at the between those two forks, and I'm see if I can get here where you can see it. Yeah, see it? That's you press the button, and you get this little spark. And that spark is what lights the wick on my lamp over here. This is rechargeable, so you never have to buy another fire starter stick or whatever you call them, lighter. This does it just for you all together, and it never runs out. Well, until the battery wears out. Okay, I'm gonna heat up my knife when I can find it. So what I do is I put the blade underneath or over this flame. That heats it up so it'll cut through the clay real easy. It gets carbon on the blade from the flame. And so I've got a rag here to clean that off so it don't have black on my clay. Now it's just a matter of cutting the head off. And I make these so that I can take them out. Okay, I've got the maquette's head, the big blue guy back there. I got his head off so I can use that as a model or a reference. I'm going to turn this around. So I can mount the head on the base of this clay. Okay, that's there, solid like. All right, gonna get started here. I don't know what his face is going to look like. I'll know more when you know more. All of this is fluid right now. I'm just taking one step and one day at a time. I wish I was somebody like Michelangelo who could draw out ahead of time every detail, muscle, bone structure, position of the arms, the muscles, all that. But I don't have that ability. I never developed that ability. If you've got that ability, consider yourself fortunate. Now, I'm about 2 inches from the camera, so if you hear heavy breathing, it's just normal breathing for me. It's not heavy. It's just you are listening to it magnified by about 1,000 times. There we go. I want to put a kind of a worried look on his face. So I'm going to raise his eyebrows a little bit from the center to show worry about what's going on. It may be absolutely nothing. It might be just a limb falling off a tree. But then again, it might be something real as far as danger goes. He doesn't know quite yet because he just swung around to look in the direction of the sound. All right, I just got a call from the gallery that sold my copy of Buffalo Soldier, and the gentleman that bought the Buffalo Soldier would like me to do a Lincoln bust, the same size. So I may have to set my Mountain Man aside and start that. So I don't know what's going to happen. I've actually got a life mask of Lincoln here in the studio. It was made back in the 1850s. You could buy them online. They're a bit pricey now. They weren't when I got it. It was fairly inexpensive. But so I've got a good model to go by for that. But like I said, I may have to set this guy aside here. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to put this head back on and just see what it looks like. It's certainly in proportion. And so I'll probably have to leave it at that for now, and I'll come back tomorrow and get started back on it. Or I don't know what I'm going to do. All right. Good night, everybody. Sorry this isn't much of a video today. It's been a busy day on the phone. All right. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.